Hello and welcome to Digital Storytelling. My name is Felix Cronenberg and I am an Associate Professor of Modern Languages and Literatures and Director of the Language Learning Center at Rhodes College. In this installment of my web tutorial, I will talk about teaching writing through digital storytelling. And I will be talking about two different little tools that help you teach writing and make it more social, make it more engaging, make it more multimedial. The first app is a small little web app that is called Google Story Builder. And I will actually demo right here for you how we can go about doing this. First, students write different characters' names right in here. You can choose a color for each. And you can do as many as you want to, I think up to 9. Then you write a story. The writing of the story happens all in the browser. Digital storytelling. I can name this here. And then I can have these characters do a conversation. How are you? And we can do another one. And we can actually delete some of this. And on the right side, you can already see how this writing is going to be turned into a video. Great. And it mimics the style of writing in Google Documents. Once you're done, I can add some music. We'll do some suspense music here. I click on Finish Up, and the video is all done. You can preview it here. And the video is basically these characters writing in a Google Doc together. It makes writing social, it makes it something more engaging, and turns written text into a video. Very small tool, and usually, let me go back here. And it is usually something I do for brainstorming activities, for creative writing, and to make writing more visible to others. Writing seems to be something that's more solitary, something that is more individual, and this makes it more multimodal and shareable. The other one, which is a bit more involved, is a tool called Storybird, and this allows you to write picture books, long-form books or poetry, and it combines writing with images. Now, this is not something that the traditional definition of digital storytelling would encompass, but I would argue here this is a form of digital storytelling, especially because the stories are digital artifacts in the end, but you can also spend money and have these printed as beautiful picture books, and we have done this in many classes and I've gotten great feedback from the students. What you would do is you get officially licensed artwork within this app, so it works in a browser, and then it is a writing editor that you can do straight in the browser. You can create some really beautiful stories that look extremely polished. And the interface is great. It's actually a Web 2.0 tool, and as a teacher, I can go in and see what students write, give feedback, give comments, and students can do that with each other. And in the end, as I said, you can print these, or you can actually just display them on your website, on your blog, through Facebook, through a number of different ways. So go to storybird.com and explore this free tool. There are some paid options available, but the free version will work for some. Now, these are just the tip of the iceberg. There are many other ones, but I think that as we talk about teaching writing, we should include other forms of media. And digital storytelling is one that is very close to writing and actually can take some getting used to, but I would expand the definition of what a text is. Many of us have done this, of course, already, and use this new expressive medium to practice writing, but also to write multimedia. Often digital storytelling, of course, is called multimedia writing.